Down by the river, don't you know? It's 5:50 p.m. and we're starting the day right now. Party continues, but now it's for my sister-in-law, Danae. So happy birthday, Danae!
Can you touch it?
You know, the beach is the fantastic place. A fantastic place. I love.
Oh, I love the beach too.
It has become such a burden.
This is a tree lark where we get to sit in the back seat together.
You weren't going to visit anyone there?
No. You like your alone time in the back?
Drop off, isn't it?
Hey guys, so we're here in Miami Beach and we're lugging the drone, backpack, and a whole bunch of other garbage. Where's the kid at? Is she blowing that up by herself over there?
Vlog, I have one. Horrible brother.
No, but what I like about this one here is that, honestly, what I like about this one,
tell me that is the entire GoPro is the other one.
Yeah, what I like about this over the other one is that this you can get audio, and get audio, and then I get audio again.
Oh, that's cool.
So basically, the other
Why
one,
don't we sell the other one?
because the other one takes much better video.
Watch out for that thing. It makes candy.
I don't make candy.
That machine now.
That's a nice brush there, Bia.
Oh, this is awesome.
This is what Ariel did, right, Largo?
This is where this is the person who I learned all of my ingenuity from, my mother. Using a fork as a brush.
I have to grant it to you, you're right.
And I got my modesty from her too.
My mother was like this. She would come up with ideas.
This is Miami Beach, where everyone's beautiful. Except for us. Except us.
By in France, the barn, to have these curtains. Can you pan on them?
Can you go have these curtains? Jess, we can't have these ceilings.
You don't need the ceilings, just the curtains.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Wow, look how proper he's dressed too.
Yeah, it's good.
Good. You look very professional for dinner.
Now,
So my dad's just straight up old school. It doesn't wear jeans, doesn't wear slacks. He's they don't build him like him anymore.
And the I Love Asian show, what was the name of Ricky's club? What was the name of Ricky's club?
what was the song he sang?
Tropicana.
So how much did you guys spend again?
$42.56. Thankfully, she didn't make us pay.
For how much candy?
Less than a softball size of candy on each one.
I thought mine was cheaper than New York.
What a racket. Don't ever go to Sugar Factory. So we said goodbye to brother number 1 and wife.
And now we're gonna say goodbye to kids 1 and 2.
And we're heading to Mexico.
Bye, kids. Bye.
We're spending every birthday with you now. We have just to let you know. No, I like them.
You guys, the best cake decorators in all of the house. Ready? This is awesome. It's like a toy memorial for Star Wars from Burger King.
But you have them all too, Rosa. I think I have them all.
I keep looking at the screen up there and not looking into the camera
Me
over here.
too.
So
Me too.
anyway,
Okay.
it doesn't matter.
All right.